Alright, it's third time's the charm. We got this time. Okay. Anyways. What's up, guys? And welcome to my video. This is a video about the BPS 2006 Mazda 6 V6 air intake, cold air intake. It's a little bit long. It ended up going into my fender, like underneath where my fender is, the wheel well area, like up underneath the fender liner, stuff like that. And because out there it's a little bit louder than normal, it's pretty fucking dope. But this video is to show you guys what it sounds like and how it is. I was going to show an install video on it as well, but that didn't work out because I lost the SD card. But the only portion of that entire time on that SD card that I got is the finished product that I showed my girlfriend over text message, but it was on my laptop. So I have that, and Ricky's amazing explanation skills. But anyways, yeah, I have that. So basically, I'm sorry for not having an installation part, but at least I was able to give you some cool ass clips of what it sounds like, and it sounds pretty fucking dope. And you guys still get to see what it looks like on the inside of the car. So that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna, in a second here, hand you off to like past me and past Rick. So, Ricky, do your best job of explaining to the crew, and old me, don't be stupid. Alright, there you go, guys. I don't think this start off. Alright guys, so now I'm going to test the with the windows up, and I'm going to see like an acceleration so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, stop. Now I'm going to test it with the windows down. Alright, that's it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what it sounds like from a little bit of a different angle of being outside of it a little bit, but like a little bit far away, like distance away from like another car or something like that. So, Brandon, you can go back there. Now I'm going to give you a little bit, I don't know if it changes this at all, but just in case, I'm going to show you guys what it sounds like from like right behind the exhaust area. See if like the intake adds any noises to the exhaust. I don't really think it does, but this is just in case. So, alright Brandon, you can go ahead and get down there and get it pumped up. Alright, and we're bringing it back out of the video so I can say goodbye. I hope that you guys will enjoy the video. I think the car sounds pretty awesome. I thought it was pretty cool. I put a little bit of effort into editing this one. And I want to thank you guys for even watching the video, and don't forget to comment and like if you enjoyed, and don't even forget to subscribe if you feel like it. You don't have to, but it'd be great. I mean, I know that a lot of people are probably going to come here just to see just what I installed, what it sounds like, stuff like that. But hopefully you guys enjoyed and subscribe or stick around until next time. But there will be another vlog coming out this week to make up for no vlog next week and me fucking this up. So, sorry guys. I'll make sure that I'm not retarded next time, or try not to be. Alright? And thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.